With advancements in technology, there has been an emergence of PBX systems that offer a more efficient way for teachers, students, and faculty to communicate. This technology allows for educators to stay connected with their classes, allowing them to provide timely feedback and guidance on projects and assignments. VitalPBX has become increasingly popular with educational institutions because of the variety of features it offers. First, VitalPBX provides improved audio and video capabilities than traditional landlines or other phone systems can offer, such as our paging and intercom module. Also, you can connect multiple campuses under a single system for ease of use. Second, cost savings is an important concern for any organization, and educational institutions are no exception. As budgets get tighter, schools are looking for ways to reduce their costs without sacrificing quality or reliability. VitalPBX offers a splendid solution that can help maximize efficiency while keeping expenses to a minimum. Its technology enables schools to simplify their phone systems, eliminate costly hardware and labor fees, and improve overall communication in the school setting. A smooth communication will give you a smarter education. With the use of VitalPBX, schools and universities can efficiently and effectively communicate with their staff, students, and other personnel. Try VitalPBX today and ask for your special education discount.